Hello my friends, it is Donna Bell, and I wanted to do a quick flip through of my journal real quick. We're going to make it quick because I have other things I have to get done. But I wanted to do a quick flip to show you the update on the journal that I've been making with my Teacups, Paris, and Roses digital kit. This is the cover so far. I'm going to go back and put an image of a printed on fabric of a Victorian woman on there. You open it up. There's the inside. It is a hard cover. I did cover a book to do this one. We have this journal belongs to here where they can write their name. Lace, beautiful rose, little dangle there. Here, this just flips out, down. There's a bookmark, and you have a 8.5 by 11 sheet to journal on. So stick the bookmark back into there, and Velcro it closed. Lace. This is the beautiful corset page with the rose on it. Beautiful writing space. More beautiful lace. And I may go back and do something here. Here we have a library pocket and a library tag that you can journal on the back. Has coffee dyed paper on the back. And it says remember. This is the program from like the opera or whatever it is that they have over there. And it has the Eiffel Tower. Beautiful lace. Here we have a accordion style folder, and in it we have these cute little things. Another journal card, another beautiful page in my kit, some more embellishments, more writing space. This page is in my kit, and all I did was I took my colored pencils and colored in the images that I wanted colored. There's a pocket here. We're going to go back and make things to go into the journal. Another pocket here. We're going to make something to go in. Here we have another, let's see, how does this go? We have a pocket here, and then this opens and just folds out for a 12 by 12 sheet of private journaling. And that just slips back down into there. And Velcro's closed. Plus it's a pocket up at the top up here. Writing space here. A belly band. And in there I just have this index card. Okay. Writing space. Corset ad. This is a bag at the top. Let's see. A bag at the top where you can put things. You have a bag on the side over here where you can put things. More lace. Another tuck spot pocket. Here we have another fold out. Beautiful rose at the bottom. More writing space. Another flip out. And it turns into two pockets, actually 3 pockets, 1, 2, 3. Okay, another pocket, another tuck spot, pocket here, and a pocket at the top, and this flips out for journaling space, 12 by 12 journaling space. More lace, journaling space, more lace, journaling space. And that's the end of signature 1. This is the beginning of signature 2. We have a pocket here, a bag at the top, a little bag here, cellophane bag, and then you turn the page. We have pocket here, more beautiful lace, journaling space, another pocket here, tuck spot here, and let's see if I can remember. Velcro comes undone here, and let's see. This folds out for 12 by 12 journaling space, and then there's your pocket. Okay, and let me put these back into here, and I'm sorry you're going to hear the dishes in the background. Hold on. Okay, beautiful applique there. Flip it over, you have, oops, a belly band, a tuck spot here, journal space there, pocket here, private journaling there, flip down here, flip up here, and then there's a secret pocket here. The center of the second signature. Beautiful lace writing space. Here you have, let's see if I can remember how this works. What did I do here? Okay, let me close it back up so I can show you how it works. Alright, I've been gluing lace on so it was stuck. This flips down for private journaling. Just simply pulls down. Looks like a tuck spot, but it just pulls down for journaling. Okay, this, I got this idea, G, I'll put her link below. I got this idea and this one from her. These are each just little flowers that open up for private journaling. And they just tuck inside there like that. There's 4 of them. Each one comes out for private journaling. I had a lot of fun with that one, trying new things. Okay, writing space. A flip up for private journaling. Writing space. Pocket. And a pocket at the top on this one as well. So you have 2 pockets there. Large pocket here. And the back of the signature and the back of the journal. So that's where I'm at so far. Here's where I have sewed it in. You can see it's nice and straight, evenly spaced. Everything is even, and it is sewn in very nicely. So that's where I'm at with this journal so far. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I am naming the lady in this, let's see, in this video. Her name is, I have named her Isabel, after a wonderful lady that I used to know. She used to be my grandmother-in-law, and we called her Great Nan. She was a very sweet lady. Miss her very, very much. So that's who I am making this journal after, is her. So I'm calling this journal Isabel, and that's where I'm at so far. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.